If your items keep getting relisted automatically on eBay and you want to stop it, you're in the right place. Auto relisting can be useful, but sometimes you may want more control over your listings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop eBay auto relisting step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn off this feature and manage your listings the way you want. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. Here, you'll see all your active listings. Find the listing that is set to relist automatically and click on the Edit or Revise option next to it. This will open the listing editor where you can change different settings. Now, scroll down to the Pricing or Duration section. Look for an option related to Automatically relist this item or something similar. This option is usually available for auction-style listings or fixed-price listings with a set duration. If the Auto Relist option is enabled, simply uncheck the box or turn off the toggle. This will stop the listing from being relisted automatically once it ends. After disabling the option, review your listing to make sure everything else is correct. Then click on the Save or Revise button to apply the changes. If you have multiple listings with auto relisting enabled, you may need to repeat this process for each one or use bulk editing tools if available to save time. Also, keep in mind that good till cancelled listings renew automatically every month. If you want to stop those, you'll need to manually end the listing instead of relying on settings. In this tutorial, we learn how to stop eBay auto relisting by editing your listing, turning off the relist option, and understanding how different listing durations work. This gives you better control over your inventory and selling strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.